shit. But
SLG crew. It's your boy Jerry, aka Pope, aka Big Honcho Pope. It's your boy Jay Lee, man. It's your boy Jay. It's your boy Cal, man. You already know. It's your boy Big Ant, man. You already know what it is. Hey, man, we back with another banger. You feel me? Yes, sir. Let me introduce y'all to what we're doing today. We're doing a little hot chew. Hey. Oh, yeah.
that nigga tweaking, man.
A little sneeze prank on everybody, try to get a good reaction out on you. Feel me? We go walk by and hot chew. Get a little reaction. Yeah, we gonna see. You know the boy when hit, boy. What we go? What? We gonna hit. We gonna know. We eat. Hey man, you know back with the banger, man. Let's go. Hey, but shout out my boy Monica behind the camera, man. And the boy is Nezzy.
What?
Shout out the boy Nezzy and Jamaica at the crib chilling. You feel me? But let's go and get to the banger. You heard me?
Damn, big, you can't fill the bottle up?
Gotcha, bitch. You've been hit by a smooth criminal.
You can follow me.
Nigga got me following them.
Oh, he did that shit.
Sorry. You okay?
No, you put it all over the back of my ear.
I'm sorry.
Do you have a napkin, ma'am? It's okay,
I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Are you okay? Really?
Yeah?
You sneezed on me.
I'm sorry. You okay? Bless.
so you gotta go ahead and move. They closed early today, so we gotta move locations.
About to hit Walmart up. Oh, get somebody coming down the escalator. That shit'll be funny. They can't do nothing. They coming down now. They coming down. And get ready. Oh shit. But oh shit. I'm freaking
They coming? Go the other way.
They not coming.
No, ain't nobody coming.
Who the fuck is that running?
Running because they thought we robbed the store.
Yo, listen, you are so thick. You got so much cakes in there, and it ain't even my birthday. I was just wondering if me and you could go catch a movie.
Oh, he on the other side too. Oh, he on the other side too. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hey man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
See that motherfucking back of y'all.
It was a banger. Hey,
Bro, walk your water.
Hey, let us know in the comments what's y'all favorite part, man. You know what I'm saying? All that. You did what I'm saying?